next construction is how to bisect an angle. In other words, how to cut an angle in half. It's a pretty easy process. The first step is to swing an arc from the vertex, in this case from point B. So place your stylus on B, and you're going to swing an arc that intersects or passes through both rays. Once you have swung this arc, this gives you two new points. And points must be named, and they must be named with capital letters. I will call this capital C, and I'll call this point D, naming it with a capital D. Now I'm going to use these two new points to now swing two small arcs. One of the arcs will be swung from point C, and the other arc will be swung from point D. These two arcs should intersect. If by chance you swing these two arcs and they did not intersect, then a helpful tip might be to pull your pencil out away from the stylus a little bit more before swinging these two small arcs. Where these two small arcs intersected, I'm going to place a point and name the point. Now I'm going to connect B, which is the vertex of the angle, to F. This line that I'm about to draw using my straight edge is called the angle bisector. It is called this because it bisected the angle, cut the angle in half. Now there are several ways you can make your statement for this. You could say angle DBF is congruent to angle FBC, or you could place a little 1 and a little 2 in the interior of both of these acute angles, and then you would say angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. So you have a couple of options here on how you want to make your final statement. Just be aware that if you use 3 letters when naming an angle, your middle letter must be the vertex.